Anambra election is just around the corner. Will you be playing any role in ensuring the victory of your party like you did in Edo State?
No. I completely would not participate for certain obvious reasons. A personal reason, I will not participate. And I've told the candidate that I'm not going to fully participate in that election. And I told the candidate my reasons, and which of course he
appreciates.
Yes, he appreciates it. Because I'm a man
Are you angry with the party?
No, I'm a man of conscience, and I can't come out to stand and oppose somebody who is part of me. And it will be against my conscience. So I prefer to stay away. But what I can do is to put my party in prayer. That all things should work out well for them to make, but to come out and play a very partisan role may be difficult for me. Surely, yeah.
Okay, I told you that I need you to take back maybe briefly to how we started. You know, the projects that had been commissioned are the ones that are in the offing. The significance of those projects to Rivers people, and for those who have not come home, whether these are enough reasons for them to come and see the transformation that has taken place.
Yeah, like I said before, if you don't tell the story, nobody will tell it for you. I said before now, so many people have gone on pages of newspapers to say that development is barely concentrated in the Port Harcourt and Obiabo, which they say I barely equate is where I come from. And that was a kind of selling to members of the public until we went out to show, look, today we are going to Aboriba, where we are creating land, almost 25 to 30 hectares of land.
That's under a land reclamation project?
Yes. We have done a ring road for them. Wow. Show it. We showed it on national television. We showed it in AIT. We showed it in channel. We showed it in NTA. Is it correct? Yes, it's correct. We are doing Takabai Road. How? We showed it on AIT. We showed it in NTA. We showed it in channel. You mean this is correct? But we thought he was doing nothing in our area. We took it to Opopo. No, it's not correct. So, we invited the former minister, Waziri, and he came. He commissioned the Opopo Road. Is it Opopo? We drove by road down to Opopo. Is it correct? Ancient city of Opopo.
You can also ask the king.
Can ask the king. Now, you see, these are things people have said, oh my God, you mean these things are on ground? And people will be telling us all kinds of story. Is Opopo Ikwere? Is Ogun Ikwere? Calabar is it Ikwere? Eche is it Ikwere? Ahuda is it Ikwere? Oba is it Ikwere? Go and see. Now they are watching. They are seeing. Oh no, we don't want these stories again. Enough is enough. So now they have turned, what's the propaganda? Oh no, the contractors that are doing the job in Ikwere are the major contractors. Why not move them to the other areas? It's no longer, the projects are not there. But I choose the best contractors to be the Ikwere land. That's another propaganda now. Oh, they didn't follow the process. Sure. You are not our auditor. We don't owe you that. So, but they are doing something, we agree. But are they following due process? Have they advertised? Which paper do you read? Is there any law that says we must advertise the whole papers? What do you call single sourcing? For Christ's sake, when we want to do a job, of quality jobs, and you're talking about Jonas Beggar. Come on. You know that we are not joking. We want to give the people the best. The 10th, we are doing the 9th level. We are now going to do the 10th one. Jonas Beggar doing the 10th level. Look at the cancer center we are building. No, it's not in existence in this country. Cancer and Cardiovascular Diagnosis Center. Dr. Peter Lee, Cancer and Cardiovascular Diagnosis Treatment Center. Right? Go and see. Being built by Jonas Beggar. So you have pride. You have happiness in you. That your people are seeing what they are giving to them. The best. The best of all. So why would you be happy? Why would you be tall? Move. That look, I have done well. Anywhere in this state I can move without any security man. Anywhere. Because my hands are clean. This local government, have I done this? Yes. Start from Okrika. Go to Gubolo. Go to Tai. Go to Popo. Go to Gukana. Go to Kana. go to Iche, go to Muma, go to Ikure, go to Emewa, go to Obo Mandone, go to Ahuda West, go to Ahuda East, go to Degema, go to Ahuda, go to... I mean, come there. Let anybody come out and say, sir, there's no one project, as far as administration is concerned, in my local government. One. Let any local government come out and say so.
I have to stop you now. I've been put under injunction to ensure that it is 20 minutes plus 1 extra minute, and you have taken the 1 extra minute.
I hope you don't hate reverse people like Senator Bamidele or Payemi, who does not want anything to come to River State. Since he's overseen, according to him, he's overseen the judicial, so law school ought not to come. I hope they are not their own intention that the world should not watch what we're doing.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.